All right, homeowner called. They said that their line was clogged. Right here. This is why you do not connect your roof runoff system to your French drain. Look at all the shingle gravel that's in here. All this shingle gravel would fill and plug your French drain, so this whole line is full of shingle gravel. So we're going to go ahead and clean this and renew this line. This is why you do not connect a gutter downspout directly to your perforated French drain pipe. It's going to plug all the perforations and then it's not going to work. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.